Welcome to the Informatica. So today we are discussing about the topic is called project life cycle from development to production. So in the real time, so how the project is there from development to production, we see in this lecture. So in the data warehouse architecture, we are having four types of layers that are source layer, data integration layer, and data warehouse layer, and presentation layer. So if see here in the source layer, we are having different sources we are having that are ERP and other data source, social media content, and unstructured content. So these are other data source and social media contents are real time. So it will process in the real time process, but the unstructured data in during the process of batch. Here in the data integration layer, we take the data like real time and batch processing. So we check the here QA environment is there. In some environment, we are having first ETL logic, then we go for the QA. But in some environment, we are having QA and then we go for the ETL logic. So here we do data profiling and data transformation. We do here data quality, data cleansing, and data validation and data auditing in the data integration layer. So now the data, whatever the data we are having, very good. Then we go for staging area, that is truncate and load area. So whenever we are having some data faults like any errors, we send back to this source layer. Now, in the data warehouse layer, we are having staging and operational data store. So the staging area is truncate load area. So we do the truncate and load there, and then we go. We are having see different types of layers in this. We see in the next slide. So in the data enterprise data warehouse, the data is divided into three layers. We see, and then by using the views, we can create the data marts. By using data marts, we are having different types of presentation layers that are BI applications, mobile users, browsers, on-demand services. This is the architecture of the data warehouse we're having. Next, the deployment process, how we do. In the deployment process, in the development, we have here Informatica, database, Unix, and scheduler in the development process. We do then we go for the QA team, and if there is any test errors occurred, we refix occurred in this QA. So we send the data to the again development team. This is a cyclic process here. It will do when the data is get rectified without error free. So when it becomes error free, then the time it will be executed by in the cyclic manner. So when the data is correct, then we go for sign off. Then it went to the UAT, means user acceptance testing. So this environment, then here we send the data into the production environment with the build numbers. So here we are having the live environment here in the production. The data is in the production environment. We're having heterogeneous sources like Oracle and SQL servers have flat files. So when we having this type of OLTP, unlike in transaction processing, we get in the live. So then we send the last 10 days to the our ODS layer with the created date and created stamp, updated date, and updated stamp. So, in the CDC example, we are discussed in the previous session. You go for that. How the data is transferred with the dates. We know there the persistent values we are having by using creating the variables we see in that example. You go to that video and we know how the data is transferred with the date. Okay, here we see we are having created date and created timestamp and updated date, updated timestamp. We do the commit timestamps in the this ODS layer contains last 10 days of data. See here, this is our source qualifier query in the ETL logic. So where we are having variables, we give the data in the form of a daily 1 hour and 4 hours and 8 hours and daily load and weekly load, monthly load, quarterly load and yearly load we do with this ETL logics, and we send the data with the parameters. We are having like a 24 by 7 services with the date and time to load the data from the uh, source to target. So when we do data from OLTP to OLAP here, this is online analytical processing. This is an enterprise data warehouse modeling. We load the data into the staging area. So this is also called as landing area. We do here the data in the truncate and load here, and then we go to the work and we do some EAT logic as per our business requirement, and we send the data to the core team, and then we create the views, semantic views, and for data marts. As seen in the earlier slide, we create the data marts, and through that we create the data presentation layer BI report by using the Tableau and Power BI, and we are having more reporting tools. This is regarding the in production environment from source to target. Thank you. Please subscribe, share.